Today in chemistry we'll be going with the nomenclature. So nomenclature are like organic compound which can be like classified according to their source. So let me write organic compound like which can be classified according to their sources. So like if we get an example in chemistry, like if we are living in Pakistan, we do call methane. And if we move to another country, so if we'll be saying methane, no one will be getting like what exactly we wanna say. So like this would be, as we can say, like this is the scientific name. Like methane means marsh gas. This means like in every country they will be known about this. Like in Pakistan we can just call methane. In other countries they would be having their own names, but like this marsh gas name would be like exactly same for every country. Likewise, we can take an example of biology. Like in biology we have studied frog. Like frog we can say just in our Pakistan or like maybe in some other country, but not everywhere in the world. So this scientific name is Rana tigrina. So even we can see like Rana tigrina would, this scientific name would be known to everyone. Like even worldwide, this would be known by everyone. Like when chemistry, this is the marsh gas. Everyone would be known about this. But in Pakistan, we do call these two words. So this is known as nomenclature. Another definition of nomenclature can be choosing names for Like another definition can be choosing names for science related objects. This is known as nomenclature. So there were the scientists who gave this term first. Their scientist name is Guiton de Morville and Lavoisier. These were the scientists who gave the information about nomenclature in 1787. So now let's see about the functional group. What are functional group are an atoms or group of atoms which specify chemical properties of alkyl radical. Now you must be thinking, what is this alkyl radical? Let me tell you. If you to take methane and it is a structure C like carbon, it's attached with the 4 hydrogen. So like if we remove any of the if we are removing this hydrogen, so that structure remaining like carbon with that 3 hydrogen, that would be known as alkyl radical. This means the removal of one hydrogen is known as alkyl radical. Okay, so now let's see first alcoholic group. Now what's in that? Like it is having one general formula or something, that R is representing alkyl radical and this OH is representing functional group. Like in alcohol group we will be using this. Now let's see with an example. Now let's see methane has its molecular formula, that is CH4, but here first we have to take our alkyl radical value, so this would be CH3, that minus it's a single bond representing single bond, and then we have to add this OH, so this would be known as methyl because like if we are changing this CH4, like if we are removing one, so this will be Y, like Y group alkyl, the third one alkyl. So this is known as methyl dot OH, it is representing alcohol, alcoholic group or something. So this would be the answer for that. Okay, now we are having second group, that is ether linkage. So in this ether linkage, there is R, O and R radical, like this sign is known as radical. Okay, now R, this is again representing alkyl radical, then O oxygen, and then again R radical, alkyl radical. Okay, so now, and this radical, now you'll be thinking why we have used this here, like to use change value, this is representing like these both are having same terms, but like there would be the change number or change element. And this can be also written like C O C, carbon oxygen carbon. Okay, so now let's see with an example. CH3 CH2, that O is this one, minus CH3. Now let me explain you this term, like CH3 CH2, this is representing ethyl, like as we know ethyl is having C2H6, but here we have used 5, like two carbons are okay, then H3H2, like this means these are 5, one is missing here, so this means this value is known as radical alkyl, like alkyl radical or radical alkyl. So this is ethyl and this will shown as ether. And again we are having CH3, that like methane is having CH4, so we are here representing CH3, this means one hydrogen is missing, so this would be methyl. And we need to show these all in like alphabetically order, so ethyl, methyl and ether, like this would be the answer. So thank you for watching.